Finding cheap flights and travel deals can feel like a daunting task, but it doesn't have to be. With the right strategies and tools, you can explore the world without breaking the bank. Let's dive into some tips that will help you snag those budget-friendly flights and travel deals. First off, flexibility is your best friend. If you can adjust your travel dates, you'll open up a world of savings. Use tools like Google Flights or Skyscanner, which allow you to view prices across a whole month. This way, you can see the cheapest days to fly. Sometimes, shifting your departure by just a day or two can save you hundreds. Next, consider being flexible with your destination. If you're open to exploring new places, use the Everywhere search feature on Skyscanner. You can enter your departure city and see a list of destinations ranked by price. This is a fantastic way to discover hidden gems that you might not have considered before. Now, let's talk about the best apps and websites. Hopper is a must-have for any budget traveler. It analyzes flight prices and predicts whether they'll go up or down, giving you the best time to book. Another great option is Kayak, which not only compares prices across different airlines but also offers a price alert feature. Set your alerts and you'll be notified when prices drop. Don't forget about the power of incognito mode. Airlines and booking sites often track your searches and may raise prices based on your browsing history. By using incognito mode, you can avoid this and potentially find lower fares. When it comes to booking, consider flying on weekdays. Tuesdays and Wednesdays are typically the cheapest days to fly. Also, look into flying during off-peak seasons. Traveling in the shoulder season, just before or after the busy summer months, can lead to significant savings on both flights and accommodations. Another great strategy is to book connecting flights instead of direct ones. Sometimes, a layover can save you a lot of money. Just be sure to check the layover times to avoid any stress. If you're a frequent traveler, consider signing up for airline loyalty programs. Even if you don't fly often, accumulating points can lead to free flights or upgrades. Plus, many credit cards offer travel rewards that can help you earn points for future trips. Lastly, keep an eye out for flash sales and Airfares. Websites like Scott's Cheap Flights and Airfare Watchdog specialize in finding these deals. Signing up for their newsletters can keep you in the loop about incredible offers that pop up unexpectedly. Traveling on a budget is all about being resourceful and open-minded. With these tips and tools, you can turn your travel dreams into reality without draining your bank account. So, get out there, explore, and make unforgettable memories, all while keeping your wallet happy.